Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GoHighLevel SMS follow-ups for leads step by step clearly. To start activating SMS follow-ups for leads in GoHighLevel, log in to your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start a new campaign for your SMS follow-ups. Select SMS as the campaign type from the options provided. Give your campaign a relevant name to easily identify it later. Add a trigger for when this SMS follow-up will be sent. You can choose triggers such as lead is created or lead status changes. Once you've selected your trigger, configure the specific conditions. Next, scroll down to the Actions section. Click on Add Action and choose Send SMS from the drop-down menu. Compose your SMS message in the text box that appears. Make sure your message is clear and has a call to action. You can also use dynamic fields to personalize the SMS. After composing your message, set the delay for when the SMS should be sent after the trigger. Double-check all conditions and actions to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on Save Campaign to finalize your settings. Your SMS follow-up campaign is now activated for leads. You can monitor its performance in the Campaigns section. Test the campaign by adding a new lead to check if the SMS is sent as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. You have successfully activated SMS follow-ups for leads in GoHighLevel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.